Sitting on the bull. Phase 1.
Let's watch this. Okay, that's not a good idea.
Phase 2. Opening the gate. With a screaming crowd. Phase 3. Jumping off the bull. Then we have to actually find the bull, which is right there. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. We found it. Locked eye on the target.
Get him. Get him.
Dog and bull fight.
Get it! Get it!
Hey, hey!
And other phase, he goes into gate, and it's all over. Until next time, see ya!